Welcome back to my channel, Matchbox Collectors. Today I have a very special Matchbox moving parts unboxing. This is a car for 2023, so all the moving parts are retooled with an opening feature. And this is the Pagani Huayra Roadster, one of the most desirable hypercars of all time. It's one of my favorite cars. I've been fortunate to see a few in person at Monterey Car Week. It is absolutely amazing. I'm just thankful that Matchbox has the Pagani license. So there's 54 of these new Matchbox moving parts vehicles. I believe each vehicle comes in two different colors. At least that's what I found with some of them. And the claim to fame for this year is it's 70 years of Matchbox, but apparently these cars are now made with recycled zinc. They're trying to be eco-friendly. I think that's great because some of the other packages, I have one from the previous year here, it doesn't say that. It just says metal parts. So I think that's really cool that they're using recycled metal. Hopefully that doesn't mean that the metal parts are lesser quality. Or for 2022, they started doing them in these little pill-shaped packages versus the square packages with the box and everything. I don't know. I mean, look, it gets awfully curved very easily here. I guess it's less waste. There's the back package, nothing to see really. So these moving parts have been very, very popular. I've been purchasing them, when I see a nice one at Target for the most part is where I've been finding them. For some reason, I found this Corvette, which is absolutely amazing. I've seen it 4 different times, so apparently no one wants it. I don't know, is it because it was in a Zeus bronze, maybe not a desirable color? I don't know. I think it's absolutely amazing. I don't know why anyone's not buying it. This Pagani, I found at one of the Targets. It's the only one I found. I was shocked to see it. It features an opening clamshell with an engine. It's the Pagani Huayra Roadster. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get this one open. See what it's all about. Makes it easy to open though. Okay, there's a lot of plastic there. Oh, they didn't even detail. It didn't even detail the tail lamps. Oh, that's great. Thank you, Matchbox. You forgot something. But maybe that's because they had to detail this engine. I don't know if you can even see that. It's incredibly hard to see. There you go. Wow, that's incredible. It shuts nicely. Okay, yeah, this is cool. So essentially, it's a $1 model. It has basic wheels, has the super rare black 5-spoke rims, and then it features an opening feature. Some of the cars, the engine opens, some of them, the doors open. So that's really, really awesome. And I think it's awesome because I don't like real rider tires. Like, I'm sorry, but I think they're pointless. They don't look that great. The rim designs aren't that necessarily that great, especially for the Matchbox ones. So to have a $1 model with an opening feature is great, and the price point for this is $3. I think that's a screaming deal. So thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the Pagani Huayra. It looks absolutely amazing. I don't have to tell you to go and buy it because if you see it, you will buy it. It's amazing. It's probably going to appreciate over time. I don't know how long they're going to be doing this moving parts thing for $3. I don't know if it's just for a couple of years, but I can't believe there's basically 25 cars in this series. But I've been picking up the ones that I like and pretty much found some pretty cool cars, but there's definitely ones that I won't be able to find, unfortunately, because they definitely get snapped up. Thank you for watching this quick review, and please check out more of my Matchbox reviews. Have a great day.